Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel EduHub. Today in this video we are going to learn about important battles in the history of India. Hope you like this video. Let's begin. Battle of Hydaspes. The Battle of Hydaspes was fought in 326 BCE between Alexander the Great and King Porus of the Paurava kingdom on the bank of river Jhelum in the Punjab region of the Indian subcontinent. This battle is known as Battle of Hydaspes because it was fought on the bank of the river Jhelum, and the river Jhelum is also known as Hydaspes to the Greeks, and Alexander too was a Greek ruler. First Battle of Tarain. The first Battle of Tarain was fought in 1191 AD between the Ghurids against the Chauhans and their allies near Tarain. The Chauhan king Prithviraj Chauhan defeated the Ghurid king Muiz al-Din, who avenged this defeat at the Second Battle of Tarain a year later. Second Battle of Tarain. The Second Battle of Tarain was fought in 1192 AD by the Ghurids against the Chauhans and their allies near Tarain. In this battle, the Ghurid king Muiz al-Din defeated the Chauhan king Prithviraj Chauhan, thus avenging his earlier defeat at the First Battle of Tarain. Battle of Chandavar. The battle was fought in 1194 AD between Muhammad Ghori and Jaichand of the Garhwal dynasty. It took place at Chandavar on the river Yamuna, close to Agra. In this battle, Jaichand was defeated, giving Muhammad Ghori control of much of northern India. First Battle of Panipat. The First Battle of Panipat was fought on April 21, 1526 AD between the forces of Babur and the Lodi dynasty. It took place in North India and marked the beginning of the Mughal Empire and the end of the Delhi Sultanate. It resulted into decisive Mughal victory, sack of Delhi, end of the Lodi dynasty and fall of the Delhi Sultanate. Battle of Khanwa. The Battle of Khanwa was fought near the village of Khanwa in Bharatpur district of Rajasthan on March 16, 1527 AD. It was fought between the invading forces of the first Mughal Emperor Babur and the Rajput forces led by Rana Sanga of Mewar. Battle of Chanderi. The Battle of Chanderi took place in January 1528 AD in the aftermath of the Battle of Khanwa, in which the Mughal Emperor Babur had defeated a confederacy of Rajputs and Afghans which was headed by Rana Sanga of Mewar. Battle of Ghagra. The Battle of Ghagra in 1529 AD was the last war of Babur in India. The battle was fought with the Afghans on the confluence of Ganga and its tributary, the Ghagra, on 6th May 1529 AD. In this battle, the Afghans fought under the leadership of Sultan Mahmud Lodi and Sultan Nusrat Shah, the then Sultan of Bengal. Battle of Kannauj. The Battle of Kannauj was fought on May 17, 1540 AD in Uttar Pradesh. The battle was fought between Mughal Emperor Humayun and Afghan ruler Sher Shah Suri. This battle was won by Sher Shah Suri. Second Battle of Panipat. The Second Battle of Panipat was fought between the forces of King Hemchandra Vikramaditya, popularly called Hemu, the Hindu king who was ruling North India from Delhi, and the army of Akbar on November 5, 1556 AD. It was a decisive victory of Akbar's general Khan Zaman I and Bairam Khan. Battle of Talikota. The Battle of Talikota was a watershed battle fought on January 23, 1565 AD between the Vijayanagar Empire and an alliance of the Deccan Sultanates, namely Golconda, Ahmednagar, Bijapur, and Bidar, who united in order to defeat Rama Rai. The battle took place at Talikoti, today a town in northern Karnataka, about 80 kilometers to the southeast from the city of Bijapur. Battle of Haldi Ghati. The Battle of Haldi Ghati was fought on June 18, 1576 AD between cavalry and archers supporting the Rana of Mewar, Maharana Pratap, and the Mughal Emperor Akbar's forces led by Mansingh I of Amber. This was the shortest battle of history with a duration of only 4 hours. This battle was won by Akbar. Battle of Plassey. The Battle of Plassey took place on June 23, 1757 AD and led to establishment of the British Empire. Troops of the British East India Company led by Robert Clive came up against with the forces of Siraz-ud-Daulah, the last Nawab of Bengal, and his French allies. Third Battle of Panipat. The Third Battle of Panipat took place on January 14, 1761 AD at Panipat, about 60 miles north of Delhi, between a northern expeditionary force of the Maratha Empire and a coalition of the King of Afghanistan, Ahmad Shah Durrani, with 2 Indian Muslim allies, the Rohilla Afghans of the Doab and Shuja-ud-Daulah, the Nawab of Oudh. In this battle, the forces led by Ahmad Shah Durrani came out victorious after destroying several Maratha flanks. The Battle of Buxar. The Battle of Buxar took place on October 22, 1764 AD. There was a conflict at Buxar in northern India between the forces of the British East India Company, commanded by Major Hector Munro, and combined army of an alliance of Indian states including Bengal, Awadh, and the Mughal Empire. Hope you like this video. Please do like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.